welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to this video in which we'll talk about Solana and specifically the Sol coin. We'll talk about it, and I kind of had to talk about it because it's been bearish. It's not been strong. We've been making lower lows until like yesterday, and I'm pretty scared of a bearish breakout happening. Hence the thumbnail, because I'm afraid of, and I think we're going to break down to $11. Which is another risk, because if that breaks, we'll drop down to $10 and $9, and you know it might not be stoppable. So that's what I wanted to talk about. Now I'll just do the analysis while I'm talking about it. If we take a look at Solana right now, which I was fairly positive about last video, because there's still a lot of activity on the Solana blockchain. All right, there's still a lot of, I guess you could say, bullish fundamentals, but just the fear around it and the damage that it has done to the ecosystem is still felt quite a lot. So the thing is that the volume right now, it's decent. All right, my screen froze for a minute. Hopefully I cut it all out. Otherwise you just saw my face hanging and then didn't hear anything for a couple of seconds. But yeah, so the thing is that if we take a look at Solana technically, I mean, all of those cryptos had that crash Friday, right? Due to multiple reasons we already talked about, mainly monetary policy and fear around the market again. Ironic. But every crypto had that bearish breakout, but the big cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum and also most of the altcoins have been able to, after finding support at what for Solana is $12, have been able to hold that and to, you know, get some sort of a bullish momentum back, even though it's small relative to the drop we had. However, for Solana, the thing is that we just kept dropping. As you can see, we found resistance at 12.5, which is a strong resistance level. I mean, that's not the point, but I would have expected us to hold $12 for a little bit longer, but we didn't do that. And what we did now is we took a break retest off of $12 and we're down pretty bad. So what I expect is that somewhere in the weekend, probably in the next few days, we will have a bearish breakout through 11.7, which is our support level now, and drop down to this level between 11.3 and $11. Now, and then from there, we'll have to see again whether we can hold that. If from there we can get a bullish breakout, like above 11.7 again, then all right, then we can hold $11. But if we barely get any bullish, if we barely get any support off of $11, we're probably going to drop down to $10 as well. So I will definitely be back with more updates on that. But yeah, no, it's like for the price specifically of Solana, it's not looking good. And the only way I do expect this drop, there is one scenario in which we could prevent such a drop. And that would be if right now we get a bullish breakout above not even 12, but like 12.2. If we can do that, we can get up to 12.5, 12.6. We won't break above that, but then at least we have shown some strength, and then we can actually hold 11.7 for a little bit longer. But as I said, this is not what I expect. It's just something you should know. There's like one exception to the rule of crashing, and that would be having a bullish breakout. But yeah, so that's my take on the Solana this afternoon. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.